How to delete your Zara account in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Zara app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to delete. From here, tap to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to your setting or your profile option. Here, you will be able to see Delete Your Account option. Tap on it. Keep in mind that deleting your account removes all your order history, saved address, and payment method. You won't be able to recover the account once it's deleted. Once you have made up your mind, tap Continue and your account will be deleted instantly. And that's it. That's how to delete your Zara account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.